Here we will review the Investment Planner tab. This tab allows you to estimate the return on up to 5 investments. At the top, you'll find the estimated final balance of all your investments, total invested amount, and the total interest generated on those investments. The first section provides a complete overview of all investments, while the subsequent sections detail each individual investment. Let's go ahead and enter a few examples. For investment 1, we'll set an initial investment of $2,000. A planned monthly investment of $150, and an expected rate of return of 8%. Next, we'll add another investment with a starting contribution of $600, a monthly contribution of $100, and an expected rate of return of 6%. We'll enter an investment term of 10 years, and the tab will automatically calculate all the values for us. Now, our dashboard displays the total invested amount and the total interest generated on the investments. This concludes the Investment Planner review. If you have any questions, please send us a message. Enjoy managing your finances.